hair has become one. I can't see because the sun is so sunny.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Yes?
So this is, I would say, your second real ride out.
I prefer.
In a very different scenario, environment. It was much longer than the previous one.
Huh?
It's been much longer, this ride out, than the previous one, that you did not like.
This is longer?
Way longer.
The one we went to Manchester? No.
We've never been to Manchester.
On the outskirts of Manchester?
Oh, no. Well, yes, it's much longer than that. Talking about that when we went to Langolen.
Ah, yes. Yes, I gave up. I couldn't take it. I just got there and I had to go home by taxi.
Let's focus about today.
Okay.
How are your feelings? Your thoughts?
I'm more comfortable. I'm just surrendering to you. No, I'm not surrendering to you. My anxiety is surrendering to you. What did you just do? Don't lurk your coffee in front of my interview. What was that? And yeah, it made me feel a little bit more at ease to not obsess. And definitely the music helps, and definitely the earplugs help. And I think when you get your earplugs and we can both talk properly also, that will also help. And definitely I want to avoid a motorway like the plague. The motorway, I think, is what freaked me out the last time, really. But yeah, and the weather, the sun.
We didn't go in the motorway the last time.
No, it was the first time encountering heights. It felt very fall off the edge of a cliff. But I felt a bit more comfortable this time when we went there. So I really do think it is just step by step exposing me to different styles, and then it will be a little bit less spooky for me. I really genuinely think that now. I almost gave up completely based on our last few rides that I was going to be able to do this, but it seems to be, because you're going slower, you're being a bit more mindful also of the curves and stuff. I didn't feel as spooked by them on our way here, and I could see you leaning into them. They didn't spook me as much. What spooks me is when it's one then the other. That still spooks me, because then I have to shift from this side to this side.
You don't have to
because I have to see. No, I have to see. I have to see. I'm like a chismosa. Babe, it's very weird to sit at the back and not see. Do you understand?
No. When you sit on front of with me in the car and you're on your phone, you're not looking where I'm going.
It's different. Now we're in an enclosed thing. Here I am dangling on the back of a motorbike.
You're not dangling.
I am. That's how it feels to me. I'm just there. No, I'm not really. I even let go with one hand. This left hand has been moving around. Oh. And yeah, there is hope. There is hope yet.
So what punctuation is today's ride out?
I enjoyed it. I'm enjoying it. We're not finished yet. We've still got to ride home.
A score?
Even safe to say around 8.
8?
Yeah, I am really enjoying it.
Okay.
It's the most I've enjoyed since we've ever been out on the bike.
That was a long ride.
Yes. I enjoyed it.
I'm glad you did.